Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is your teacher Mavish. How are you all? Hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to start our lecture. First of all of you recite dua before starting the lecture. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair. Oh Allah, make it easy and do not make it difficult. Oh Allah, make it end well. In our previous lecture, you have learned about the digit 1 and today you will learn about the digit 2. You can see on the whiteboard, here is the digit 2. Speak after me. 2. 2. 2. Very nice. Let's sing the poem of digit 2. Let's start with your teacher. You ready? Okay. 2 apples, 2 trees, 2 little tiny buzzing bees, 2 candles, 2 flames, 2 ducks, 2 books, 2 chicks, and 2 frogs. I hope you have enjoyed this poem. Okay children, now it's time to do the writing practice of digit 2. Now teacher will guide you how to write the digit 2. Let's start. You will start here from this point. And now from this point you will start writing. Put your pencil here on this point and go around and then go down, then cross. You will write on this bottom line. Again, start from here, from this point, make a round, go down and then cross. Here you will write the digit 2. All of you will write on your notebooks. Now here teacher will give you the instruction to how to write correctly 2 while writing. When you are writing, जब आप 2 लिख रहे हैं तो कौन सी mistakes आपने नहीं करनी. Some students do this mistake while writing. When you are writing here, some students write while writing. When you are writing here, some students write like this and then go down and then write like this. It's not so good. As teacher have give you the instructions, टीचर ने आपको बताया है 2 लिखते वक्त एक प्रॉपर आपने राउंड शेप ऊपर से बनानी है, देन प्रॉपरली आपने लाइन नीचे लेके आनी है और इसको बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट लाइन के साथ लिखना है. सो इट्स नॉट गुड, ये रॉन्ग है. आप लोग लिखते वक्त ध्यान रखेंगे कि आप 2 की शेप प्रॉपर बनानी है जैसे टीचर ने आपको गाइड किया है. Some of you are writing like this. This is the proper shape. ये ठीक है, ये थोड़ी अच्छी लग रही है. It's looking good. It's a happy too. But make sure your this line should be very straight as teacher has guided you. Others kindly prepare the notebooks of your child in this way and guide them to write according to the instructions that I have given in my lectures. As all of you know that Allah has given us 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 arms and 2 hands. And here are the 2 legs and 2 feet. We should thankful to our Allah for everything that we have. हमें अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए कि अल्लाह ताला ने हमें हर नेमत से नवाजा है.